This is a grill meat in Cambodia that Cambodia people like to eat so much. It's called Sach Jong Kak. Sach Jong Kak and it's really popular. Usually marinated with local spices, lemongrass, garlic, palm sugar, add fish sauce, then grill with charcoal. It is really popular as street food, especially eaten with vegetable, rye or dipping sauce. And one skewer are grilled with just only 1,000 real or 0.25 cent. It is really cheap in Cambodia and it's really delicious and so yummy that Cambodian people like to eat so much. And especially when it's Anjika, they always like to eat with Nambanhamber. It is a style of Cambodia box or Korea bread. It is really delicious and so yummy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Food to Asian, where we explore the unique flavor and tradition of Cambodia. Today I want to take you on a delicious journey into two beloved Cambodian street food, Sach Jong Kak and Nambanhamber. Let's begin with Sach Jong Kak, a taste that truly represents a Shola Cambodia, barbecue, and magenta as lion meat. Marinate with lemongrass, garlic, palm sugar, and fish sauce. Then slowly veil over hot charcoal. The aroma trips through there, pulling you closer with every step. When you take a bite, you taste the perfect balance of sweet, salty, smoky, and a heat of spice. Local often enjoy with the fresh vegetable, rye, and tangy dipping sauce that complete the flavors. It's not just food, it is a street-like experience, a memory shared among friends and family, and the warm everything else. Now let's move to something on the sweeter side of Nambanhamber. At first glance, it may look like a simple bread, but on by reward the nation. Crispy on the outside, silks and warm inside. Often filled with coconut or burr Cambodia people called berber like that mubin or other sweet ingredient. This spread in Korea is seen of comfort, a reminders of home for many Cambodians. Whether good or bad them fresh, and the smell is impossible to resist. Walking down the street at night, you always find a small girl sweating for their turn to grab one hot from the fires. Border-pressed food are more than just snacks. They are part of Cambodian living culture. They connect people to tradition, to family, and to simple joy of life. So when you come to visit in Cambodia, please don't forget to try this snack. It's really popular and it's really delicious, especially really cheap. Just one slice of meat, only 1,000 real or 0.25 cent. It is really cheapest, but it's really delicious. That Cambodian people or Asian people like to eat so much. So this street food I really recommend for you guys when you come to visit in Cambodia. It is really cheapest and it is really delicious. When you come to visit in Cambodia, you will see I'll have a lot of the weather that's trail about Sach Jong Kak with Nambanhamber like that. Yeah, Nambanhamber is Cambodian people go. Yeah, it's really cheap, but it's really delicious. As you see in my video, now they are grilled the beets and with the breaks. It is really, the smell is really, I cannot describe it, but it's really, yes, delicious. As you see in my video, have a lot of people they are waiting and for buying Sach Jong Kak and Nambanhamber. Yes, now, okay, as you see, now they are waiting is really, looks yummy, Wow. Oh my, I cannot describe about the feeling when. All Cambodia people when they eat Sach Jong Kak, they like it with papaya sauce. You see in my video, it is really yummy, yes. When I put the meat in my mouth, I cannot describe the feeling because it's really amazing, especially it is really cheap, yes. And one piece of one skin roll just only 1,000 real. So I just spend only 10,000 real or 2.50 cents. Yes, it is really cheap. So this is the best recommend for you guys.
thua môi nữa mà cô ấy nhá tính á
ăn ở đập tất cả hay ở đạm ở nằm tăng môi thó bông
đây là kiểu
bằng lẽ nào ơi
mang người ai không nói ai
bạch ba vụ anh này cái chôn nó có vì khang đa ô thử hiện được kim kim bên nhưng mà kim
ô đặt bạch hai nó còn mồi tiêu đặt ngọt
mà nó bãi áo mà đấy thì buồn nhóm áo buồn đấy nè một tiền thắt ram mà cầm từ đó đi xì lòn trong xì lòn ra xì con này nè